Hi, it's Jeremy from Winnow Water Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to repot your lilies. Over time, lilies will outgrow their pot or become pot bound. An indicator of this are small red leaves and few flowers. You'll need three things when you're repotting your lilies: a new pot for the lily to go in, some soil mix that's suitable for lilies, and some gravel to help hold the soil in. The right soil mix for a lily should have a high loam content, and what that means is that when it's wet, it holds its shape. So you'll notice there that's perfect for a lily as it all sticks together when it's wet. Once you remove your lily from your existing pot, or if you purchase your lily directly from our website, it looks something like this. And what you're looking for are the new nodes. That's where your growth's going to come from. So in this case, here, here and here are all nodes that new lilies can come from. I'm going to start by trimming off these roots. They're not going to be any good for us. And you'll see there is an existing leaf there at the moment. It's unlikely that leaf's going to recover, but you might as well leave it on there. It helps you work out where the top of the lily is quite easily. I'm going to add some soil to the pot. And I'm going to place the lily at a 45-degree angle like so, and then top it up with some more soil. You'll see there that I've got my new node sticking right out of the pot, right above the soil level. And I'm going to add a little bit of gravel over the top. And what that's going to do is help to stop that soil from washing out. I'm then going to add a couple of fertiliser tablets to get the lily growing quickly. You simply push those into the soil like so. These are available on our website. Just one on each side. And now before I place it in the pond, I'm going to wet this down with the hose to make sure any air pockets come out of it. So as I lower it down into the pond, I don't have soil wash out. If you need more information, winnowwatergardens.com.au.